AI will make some people billionaires and make the rest broke. Artificial intelligence isn't coming someday in the future. It's already here, and it's rewriting the rules of success faster than anyone can keep up with. In the next 10 years, AI will create more millionaires and billionaires than any technology in history. More than the internet, more than crypto, more than social media. But it will also make millions of people obsolete. The truth is simple but terrifying. I won't take everyone's job. It'll just make the people who use it replace the ones who don't. So ask yourself, are you going to be the one who commands the AI or the one who's commanded by it? This is the reality no one's ready to face, because the future is no longer about working harder, it's about working smarter with AI. Segment 1, the new gold rush. The AI revolution is the biggest gold rush since the birth of the internet, but this time, the gold isn't in physical mines. It's in data, algorithms, and automation. AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, Claude, and Sora have already become the new factories of the digital age. One person with a laptop and these tools can now do what an entire company once needed hundreds of employees for. Think about this. A designer once needed an agency, a team, and expensive software. Now with AI, a single creative mind can generate hundreds of professional designs in minutes. Writers, coders, marketers, AI has turned them into superhumans. A single developer can build a startup in a week. A student can create a viral AI tool without writing a single line of code. A YouTuber can produce high-quality videos daily with AI-generated scripts, voices, and visuals, something that used to take entire production teams. Example, a 19-year-old from India built an AI resume optimizer using OpenAI's API. It went viral on LinkedIn, and within months, he was earning $25,000 a month in subscriptions, a single person powered by AI. And here's the catch. We're still in the first inning of this revolution. AI is where the internet was in 1998. Early, chaotic, but full of unimaginable opportunity. Those who learn to leverage it now will own the future. The rest will watch, confused, as everything they know becomes irrelevant. Segment 2, how AI is creating billionaires. Let's look at the top of the pyramid, the billionaires. Elon Musk, Sam Altman, Jensen Huang, these names are becoming synonymous with the AI revolution. NVIDIA, the company that makes chips to power AI models, saw its valuation skyrocket past $2 trillion. Jensen Huang, Australian, once an unknown engineer, became one of the world's richest men, all because of AI. OpenAI's valuation soared past $150 billion. Sam Altman, the man behind ChatGPT, became the face of the next industrial era. Elon Musk launched xAI, his own AI company, claiming it will understand the universe. These people aren't just rich, they're architects of a new world order. And they know something most people don't, that the real power isn't in AI itself. It's in the people who learn to control it, shape it, and scale it. But here's the twist. You don't have to be a billionaire to win in this game. AI is democratizing opportunity like never before. The same technology that billionaires use is available to you right now for free. ChatGPT doesn't ask for your degree. Midjourney doesn't care about your status. The tools are equal. It's how you use them that creates inequality. Segment 3, the dark side of automation. Now let's face the other side, the collapse. Because for every success story, there's a silent tragedy happening in the background. AI is replacing people quietly, efficiently, and permanently. A major law firm in the US recently replaced 80% of its junior staff with an AI legal assistant that could draft documents faster and with fewer mistakes. Copywriters, translators, editors, data analysts, thousands are already losing contracts. According to Goldman Sachs, 300 million full-time jobs could be automated worldwide. That's not science fiction. That's the next decade. Imagine the ripple effect. When an AI system can handle customer service 24/7, what happens to call center employees? When a single AI model can do the work of 10 marketing experts, what happens to freelancers? And the scariest part, AI doesn't just take your job, it learns from it. Every time someone uses an AI tool, it becomes smarter, meaning your replacement gets better every single day. But here's the truth no one wants to hear. It's not AI that's dangerous, it's complacency. The world is splitting into two groups, those who leverage AI and those who get leveraged by it. Segment 4, the middle class trap. This is where most people will get stuck, in the middle. They won't lose everything, but they won't move forward either. They'll cling to old skills, old systems, and old mindsets, while AI races ahead. Remember when Netflix crushed Blockbuster? When smartphones destroyed camera companies? AI is about to do the same to millions of jobs, businesses, and even industries. And yet, some people will refuse to see it until it's too late. They'll say, "I don't need AI. My job is safe." But that's exactly what taxi drivers said before Uber, and what photographers said before smartphones. The truth is brutal. AI won't eliminate your career overnight. It'll quietly outgrow it. Segment 5, the opportunity of a lifetime. But here's the light in all this chaos. Every disruption in history creates two types of people, those who panic and those who prepare. If you start now, AI can be your greatest advantage. You can build a business, a personal brand, or a side hustle faster than ever before, using tools that automate your work, amplify your creativity, and multiply your time. Here are just a few examples. AI content creators. Thousands of YouTubers now use AI for voiceovers, editing, and script writing, scaling channels that earn 5 figures monthly. Freelancers. Copywriters use AI to deliver 10 times more work. Designers use AI to mock up logos and ads in seconds. Entrepreneurs. Startups use AI for product design, marketing, and customer service, saving millions in costs. The people winning today aren't the most talented, they're the most adaptable. You don't need to build the next OpenAI. You just need to understand how AI can help you in your work, your business, your life, because the difference between being broke and being rich in the next decade won't be luck. It'll be AI literacy. Outro, the future isn't waiting. It's already here. And it doesn't care about your degree, your experience, or your comfort zone. AI won't destroy humanity, but it will destroy human excuses. Every revolution has winners and losers. And right now, as you watch this, the next generation of billionaires is being created. Not in boardrooms, but in bedrooms, by people using AI smarter, faster, and bolder than the rest. So when AI divides the world into two, those who build wealth with it and those who get left behind, which side will you be on? Because the future doesn't belong to those who fear change, it belongs to those who create it.